Thank you a lot for joining me today here.
Thank you
So,
so much.
so I want to like start with you. Like, firstly, I want to know what sparked your interest in psychology in pursuing this profession.
All right, so that is something which is I've decided very long time back only that I wanted to do this, grow in this profession only. By saying my bachelor's only, I was aware of this particular fact that मुझे इसी में जाना है, and that too because I find interest working with people, so thereby yes.
And like, can you tell थोड़ा सा और into your background?
Yes, so in my 11th and 12th, I did from like in my science background, medical background, I was having biology, physics, chemistry, and bachelor's I did in psychology honors, and then master's in clinical psychology. So that for that I'm qualified as a counseling psychologist. So my designation is
Hmm.
counseling psychologist, trauma informed psychologist, and thereby psychotherapist because I'm trained for different approaches.
तो आपने आगे pursue नहीं किया clinical में?
No, clinical nahi. I may go for PhD, but not for clinical.
And
Like
ऐसा
it's
क्यों?
my plan to go for PhD.
तो मतलब क्यों आगे एमफिल करने का डिसाइड नहीं किया?
Because I don't have much interest in terms to diagnosis, screening testing. The more major interest I have in the counseling setup. So I didn't find like MPhil was not the option, or was the option at first time, but not at the later stage. And in any which way, मुझे PhD करनी ही करनी है. So thereby I felt कि
क्लिनिकल में?
not like clinical में or counseling में, like a field of psychology, I would want to do the
ओके.
PhD. So thereby I felt कि MPhil नहीं, but I'll put my
हम्म.
more focus towards the PhD.
तो अभी आप उसकी तैयारी कर रहे हो फिर पीएचडी के लिए? नाइस. तो फिर डायरेक्ट लाइक पीएचडी के लिए ही या फिर नेट का एग्जाम जो है अभी उसके लिए?
Net, net
नेट के
exam.
लिए. that's
And
great.
direct as well, so both ways are open.
हाँ वो तो है. मैं भी अभी कर ही रही थी तो कुछ अगर टिप्स वगैरह देना चाहो.
So you are also planning for PhD?
या अभी फिलहाल तो नेट का एग्जाम के लिए, बट हाँ फ्यूचर में पीएचडी. यस ऑफ कोर्स
This is
दैट्स
your
अभी.
first net attempt?
नो, इट्स एक्चुअली माय सेकंड.
So basically, like I think मैंने भी यही देखा है अभी तक. मैंने तो भी sitting and like half April down the line. And honestly मैंने तैयारी बहुत किक स्टार्ट अच्छे से नहीं करी है, which should be the case, जो होनी चाहिए थी. But the more the concern point come to be that to start with the practice. Question practice is like a one way good forward thing for me. Like I have more difficulty towards the paper one, not paper two.
हाँ पेपर वन में लास्ट लास्ट पेपर देखा था आपने, कैसा आया था?
बहुत गंदा आया था पेपर वन.
बहुत बुरा पेपर था वो. और मुझे तो मतलब क्वेश्चंस पढ़ कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे थे पढ़ के हंसी आ रही थी.
बहुत गंदा पेपर था पेपर
बहुत.
वन का. बट या आई लाइक होपफुली इस बारी पे पेपर वन का पेपर ठीक आएगा.
हाँ और
हो
लास्ट
सकता है
टाइम
पेपर
तो स्पेलिंग
अच्छा है
मिस्टेक्स इतने टाइपोस थे उसमें पेपर में.
देखे थे पेपर
बहुत.
टू में.
तो लाइक अब मैं देख रही थी आपकी लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल भी, आपने काफी जगह पे वॉलेंटियर भी किया है और उसमें एक्सपीरियंस भी, आपने काफी जगह पे काम भी किया है. तो वो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था इंटर्नशिप? अगर लाइक इंटर्नशिप जो बच्चे ढूंढ रहे हैं तो उनको कैसे ढूंढना चाहिए कि प्रॉपर अच्छी जगह पे इंटर्नशिप का एक्सपीरियंस वो ले सकें?
बेसिकली मेरा एक्सपीरियंस हर जगह का इंटर्नशिप का बहुत वैल्यूएबल था.
हम्म.
बहुत ज़्यादा. इट वाज लाइक अ काइंड ऑफ अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस व्हिच आई हैड when it comes down to point of internship. Very valuable experience I had. Very learning experience. I would suggest every student to go forward with their kind of like a government setup. If they want to go for like a good internship, go for a kind of a government setup thing. Or secondly, if you are going for a private setup, let's see that what you are getting, what are the roles and responsibilities which you are having at that in that particular organization, what will be your valuable adding to that organization. First thing, the government institutes, government organization, government hospitals, that is something which is very important, because otherwise it will have like a very much difficulty.
हाँ.
Government settings will teach you a lot of things when it comes to the psychology.
वो तो है.
You will get to actually have a real life experience there. In private, it's there. You will get learning, you will get everything, but more not from like a deeper perspective. And also in private setup, they like the variety of work actually gets little division. Admin work, HR work, everything is there. So you need, as a person, as a student, you need to see that what your interest level is. So that is something which I'll suggest. I had like a very good experience in the Tihar jail.
अच्छा, वहाँ पे
Yes.
as an volunteer.
As a counseling psychologist, I did my internship. It was unpaid from both the ways. Neither I pay anything, no, they give me anything. But it was a very valuable added internship in my CV and in my learning experience.
आजकल थोड़ा कम, मतलब बहुत मुश्किल से ढूंढने को मिलता है जहाँ पे आपको कुछ पे नहीं करना है, और कुछ अगर अनपेड है तो वो तो फिर भी चलता है, बट अगर हमें कुछ नहीं पे करना है और हमें सीखने को मिल रहा है तो वो तो बहुत कम ही मिल पाता है, बड़ी मुश्किल से.
Which is very, yes, which is very true. But at the same time, it's something which is very added course as well. Like you can, like if you actually have your research properly, you will get the places where you don't need to pay.
और एक्सपीरियंस जो आप कह रहे हैं अभी, आप काफी ज्यादा आपने काम किया है काफी जगहों पे, उसके बाद आपने अपना भी स्टार्ट किया है थेरेपी बाय नेत्रा. हाउ डिड दैट स्टार्ट?
Okay, so basically, when I got my degree, I was working with one organization where I'm still working as a part-time counseling psychologist in one organization, which is in Delhi only, Delhi based. There also the experience was quite a good, like, and I suggest the students as well in the same manner, like not follow what I'm saying, but how it helped me to work with one organization first and then started something of my own, because then you have like a actual understanding that how you need to develop and how you need to deal with the thing. When we as a fresher, when we come from the masters, and at that particular time to start something of our own is little difficult.
यस, वो तो है.
Because you don't have the practical exposure to the things.
हाँ, उसकी वर्किंग कैसे होगी और कैसे स्ट्रक्चर उसका पूरा होगा वो नहीं पता होता. बिल्कुल.
Because you will be accountant of your own, you will be
यस.
admin of your own, you will need to manage 10 different things on your own.
यस, बिल्कुल.
At that time, starting something like is little difficult, so go ahead, think about that, what actually, like search some organization which will give you the real time experience. That is very important.
वो तो बिल्कुल है इम्पोर्टेंट. तो आप अभी लाइक उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ काम कर रहे हो, देन यू हैव योर ओन थिंग एंड यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नेट, सो हाउ आर यू लाइक मैनेजिंग टाइम?
Okay, so this question, I genuinely I don't think I'll be answer this question in a very good manner, क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता है. Honestly, मुझे भी नहीं पता है. Like I am having like 10 different things. Also, I'm developing something of my own. I am working with. Having independent practice and also like preparing. So unfortunately, it's like I'm not liking saying this, but the truth is that पढ़ाई पीछे हो जाती है. Preparation
हाँ,
go
हो जाती है.
little to back, क्योंकि आपके पास पहली प्रायोरिटीज विद द अदर पर्सन है, क्लाइंट डील है, वो आपने लेना ही लेना है. अदर वर्क विच यू हैव बाय से, मेरे पास ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का काम, मेरे पास अपना काम, एवरीथिंग टेक लाइक हो जाता है. ओनली द काइंड ऑफ टाइम विच आई नीड टू गिव टू माय प्रिपरेशन, दैट इज समटाइम बिकम्स लिटिल डिफिकल्ट.
वो तो हो जाता है, काफी चीजों में कुछ तो पीछे रह ही जाता है.
आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मैनेज दैट एज वेल.
तो ऐसा लाइक ओवरवेलमिंग फील होता होगा कभी कभी, इतना सारा काम हो जाता है तो?
Honestly, no, not much, because it just I have trained myself in that manner कि करना है.
हम्म.
So with that, like, I'm able to take that out.
तो वो कैसे ट्रेन किया फिर आपने?
Uh, okay, so basically, from the starting, I was way too much passionate about building something of my own, and also have like a great interest in the research and the PhD. So both the things are very much close to myself. And I somewhat come from a point ki these are the years where I can actually build the power of my own.
हम्म.
So thereby, like, again, motivation comes down to the point कि कम हो जाती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होती है. बहुत टाइम है, बहुत डेज है. I give myself breaks as well in that time. But Monday to Saturday, I feel like I'll work hard so that Sunday को I can able to give myself a good break.
तो लाइक थेरेपी बाय नेत्रा में आप लाइक खाली इज देयर ओनली यू और आपकी कोई टीम भी है?
No, only me.
Only you, and you are just providing therapies there and nothing else?
Therapy and conducting workshops as well.
Like what kind of workshops?
So recently, I've conducted the workshop with respect to PhD bootcamp with another collaboration with another psychologist. That, like, for the PhD aspirants, PhD scholars,
हाँ.
one thing, or the students who are planning to apply for PhD or little
हम्म.
apprehensive for that matter. That another workshop which that's also collaborative with one organization where I was a facilitator at the anxiety resilience program.
Okay.
So somewhat like these kind of workshops also I do in my
So are you
therapy
planning
by.
more workshops?
Yes, yes.
So कब और किस टाइप की वर्कशॉप्स होंगी?
It's not like abhi properly planned. One in May, one in June. So like I have like a calendar, but yes, yet to like full whole dates are yet to decide.
क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो भी प्लान कर रहे हैं अपना कोई मतलब मास्टर्स या फिर अंडरग्रेड कोर्स और जिनका इंटरेस्ट है साइकोलॉजी में बट दे डोंट नो इफ देयर इज एनी स्कोप और तो उनको क्या आप एडवाइस देना चाहोगे?
It's a very good thing which I read on LinkedIn only. You make your own scope in this field.
ओके.
And I'm a very firm believer of this, that you definitely make your own scope. How much, if you're really passionate about learning, nobody can stop you to learn in
बिल्कुल.
this field.
हम्म.
Right? So learn if you're not very much have good experience before you actually start taking therapy. Be
यस.
confident about the skills, be confident about your learning, and then start something. And in that, like, to build that confidence, to build that in your skills and in your learning, explore how much you can.
हम्म.
Undergrad, grad, post-grad are basically the space where you can explore how much you want to. Take part in workshops, valuable workshops, take part in internships, take part in seminars, present your papers if you have interest in research, go ahead.
So have you written any papers?
Yes, one paper I have written. I have published paper in my master's I have written.
तो क्या उसका टॉपिक था?
The topic was basically that the impact of physical exercise in our modern hustle culture.
That's nice. मैंने भी एक लिखा था. That was about body image and self-esteem issues, kind of related. So अगर किसी को पढ़ना हो तो वो कहाँ मिलेगा?
It's on this publication. It's like a Tokyo publication of Tokyo University publications. It's there on like that their site.
Their site.
And
Tokyo
it's,
publication.
yeah, and it's on LinkedIn as well.
Okay.
On
Great. अगर किसी को थेरेपी बाय नेत्रा से थेरेपी लेनी हो तो वो आपको कहाँ रीच आउट करे?
either on my number, LinkedIn, Instagram. These are my number is available on my Instagram channel, Instagram platform. So you can either directly message me on WhatsApp or you can DM me on Instagram or LinkedIn.
Okay. तो अभी फिलहाल तो इतना ही था. So thank you very much आने के लिए और अपनी इनसाइट्स इतनी अच्छी-अच्छी बातें शेयर करने के लिए। इट वाज़
थैंक यू
ग्रेट
सो
मीटिंग यू।